Hey guys, we have a channel favorite back once again, Broke Donkey Beard Co. for you guys. This is a company that we've covered before and I hopefully will continue to cover as they grow and expand. I'll be bringing my beautiful wife in, Sam, to give you the rundown of their new scents. Yes, this company started off trying to bring you guys premium products, but at a broke price, and it began as cologne-inspired oils and balms. Well, now they've come out with their own line called the And series, and they have new beard butters and even with a specialized nighttime scent. So we'll get Sam's take on what it smells like. We may even hear from Violet, who knows, we'll get crazy in there, and I'm gonna run it down. First thing first that you guys need to know are these 1 ounce bottle of beard oils go for $9. This beard oil is amazing in beard. I've talked about it on live streams. I've talked about it in my original video. It has a small amount of emu oil in there. It has some amazing carriers. Let me hit you with those real quick here. Fractionated coconut oil, my #1 carrier for my beard personally. Sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, aloe extract, marula oil, emu oil, baobab oil, vitamin E, and then their fragrance. No garbage in there whatsoever. There are some downright exotic ingredients in here and it does really well. It's a thin oil, but it's gonna do your beard well all throughout the day. The colognes are awesome. One of those companies that have turned me on to really enjoy colognes, but we're gonna give you the idea behind these And scents and give the idea behind their butters. So one thing with their butter is, and we'll talk about the scent with Sam, but they've developed a scent called ZZZ for your sleep. But what is their butter like? Well, their butter is a whipped butter, but it doesn't have just that super airy consistency of the whipped butter. He says that it is triple whipped. They whip it 3 times, just whip it, to get the right consistency. And I'll see if I can show you guys here. This one is in the smoked vanilla scent. I like this one. And I'll even use this one as like a refresher throughout the day. All right, so let me give you here. So it has that whipped body in there, but it's not that super. I know you guys have probably had whipped butters that are light as air. There's something to this one. It's got that creamy-like consistency, absolutely no grit whatsoever. And I feel like this has enough to it where it's gonna make it through the summer heat. It'll be able to be shipped. It's got glass, which is really gonna help with that shipping process. Phenomenal stuff with these new butters. And these are their 2 ounce butters. Love the feel in beard for day or night. Now, it's not gonna offer you much hold at all. It'll give you some tact. It'll give you some of that little bit of holding power, but it's not gonna style you up and get everything perfect. It's just gonna do its job. It's gonna nourish your beard and give you that conditioning factor that you're looking for there. So, And series, butters, let's hear from Sam, myself, the intro, and then I'll come back with a conclusion at the end. Alright guys, welcome back. I've brought my beautiful wife in, Sam C.
Hi.
And you might hear Violet over here. She's got allergies or a cold or something, but oh, she's smiling at me. She's hanging out. She's relaxed. Well, Sam, today we are doing an update video for the Broke Donkey Beard Co.
Okay.
Do you remember this company?
I do.
Yep, and they have the cologne scents that you love.
Yes.
And we have their new series that is called an And series. So the colognes are ones that they take from inspired companies already and popular colognes.
Okay.
These ones are ones that they have created themselves. And I have a butter for you to smell. I want you to smell the butter first here. Okay. So this is ZZZ butter, okay? And this is for a nighttime. It is not available in the oil, only in this butter here. Okay. What are your thoughts on this scent profile?
Lavender?
There's definitely some lavender in there.
It's that sleepy time smell.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's relaxing. It's not too sweet. It's got a nice richness to it.
Can I steal that?
Yeah, it's so good. Anytime there's a good nighttime scent that's in a butter, she wants to steal it for like a body butter. So I love.
Yeah.
I think he nailed it on that one. So we have 5 different scents here, and he also has cologne scents and every cologne and the Ann series in butter if you guys are interested. All right, let's go with the first one here. This is smoked vanilla and tonka bean.
Oh, okay.
Smoked vanilla and tonka bean.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a hearty vanilla.
Yes, it is. It's really nice. Tonka bean kind of complements it really, really well.
What is tonka bean? I thought tonka bean was vanilla.
I don't know, to be fully honest. To me, I've smelled tonka bean, and anytime it's used, it has that vanilla-like character.
Yeah.
So I think it goes really well together. This one is my favorite. He fills these bottles to the top. You'll see that this is my least favorite one here, and it is all the way up there. I used it once and didn't use it again. You can tell this one has been used several times. I really enjoy it. If you check my shelf upstairs, my daily use ones when I get days off of testing, I have all of his cologne scents up there, and they just work down because I really love those ones. Okay, so vanilla, nice, rich, hearty.
Yeah.
If you are looking for a vanilla scent, that is going to be one, because there's a lot of scents out there that have vanilla in it, but there's only one other one that I know that is dedicated to vanilla. So I think this is a really good option, and it's a lot less. The other one is called Simply Vanilla and is $25 for 1 ounce. This is $9 for 1 ounce. Oh, hi, Miss Violet. All right, this next one is Turkish coffee and butterscotch cream or creme. What is that cream? Creme? I don't know. If you're fancy,
Same.
Yeah, for us it's cream. If you're fancy, it's creme.
Ooh, a very sweet coffee.
Yeah, it reminds me of those little pumpers at Starbucks, and they give you the little flavor to your coffee. It's good. It's really sweet though.
Very sweet.
Really, really sweet. It's not. I've worn this one a couple of times. Again, you can see it's not at the top there. I got to be in the mood for it, but if I'm in the mood, and then it hits the spot there really good. All right, so now this one is my least favorite. As you can see, I wore this once, and I was not the biggest fan of it. It's Cuban Cigar and 25-year whiskey. Cuban Cigar and 25-year whiskey. And I don't hate cigars.
I like it.
Yeah. So for me, it gives me that whiskey burn that a lot of you love. It's just not exactly for me here. So yeah, go ahead.
It's like almost sweet, though.
Yeah, there's some kind of mixing in there.
It's like not a very strong cigar.
Correct.
There's a big sweetness, and then there's like alcohol taste.
Yes.
Taste, smell.
Yes, listen to her. That is exactly what I get, and a lot of you are like, heck yes, sign me up. That's just not for me on this one, but a lot of you are going to love that manly, manly scent there. All right, next one is Summer Peach and Rolled Tobacco.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I was with you on that one.
Peach.
Summer Peach and then Rolled Tobacco. So reserve your thoughts, see what you think here. And again, she smelled all these in beard and in the shower after me, so it's not just in bottle.
I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Let me smell
The rolled tobacco to me kind of soothes the peach a little bit. It kind of calms it down, and it's not overly sweet, but it has a little bit of earthiness in it.
Yeah, that's what that tobacco is giving
just
it.
brings
like
earthy. Yes.
I like it.
I do too.
That's so
I
crazy.
do too. If I had to pick one for myself personally, and we still have one more, but it would be between the vanilla and the tobacco peach. Those are both nice. I think this is going to be one heck of a summer scent.
Yes.
We're just entering the warm weather today. It's beautiful outside here. So I'm going to be using that more and more as it's opening up outside. All right, and our last one today is, and this will, I think, sound good on paper for you, antique wood and vintage leather. Antique wood and vintage leather.
Sounds like a library.
Right. And Sam loves libraries. She wanted to be a librarian.
I like that.
It's fresh.
Why are you holding the bottles today?
I don't know. Just feeling gentleman-like, I guess.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like this would be a good one for a diffuser for you.
It's a library with the windows open.
Ooh.
I love this smell.
Yeah.
I normally don't like wood, but there's something about this wood that is not very woody.
Yeah.
It's
the
like,
leather like cuts it.
It's like wood furniture.
Ooh, yeah. No, it's really nice. It's really nice.
Leather is such a weird scent to say that it's fresh.
Yeah.
But leather is such a fresh scent.
Right. Yeah, it really is. I know, it's such a weird thing to say fresh, but it's like, I don't know. It just is, yeah. And I've worn this one several times too. And again, guys, when I say, at least with mine, they were filled up to the neck. That's how I received these ones, and that's with one use out of them. So I've used this one several times. I think I'm just trying to find my right mood to work it in, because it is really unique. I haven't smelled really any like this. What's your favorite? You got the library, you got summer peach, you got vanilla.
That one needs to be called library.
Yeah,
just change the name.
Well, he can't, because if you see on the label here, it has all of the names, and he just selects which one it is to save on label cost.
Oh, that's smart.
That's one of the ways that he's able to save money.
Interesting.
Yep.
I don't know. It's a tie between the peach and the library.
Yeah, and you didn't hate the Turkish coffee is sweet. She's not really big into sweet coffee scents. You didn't hate the Cuban cigar and whiskey.
No, I actually liked that one. And the vanilla one wasn't bad either.
The vanilla's vanilla. Yeah,
I feel like
straight up.
I really liked their last one, right? Their last batch that we did.
Yes, the colognes.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, you loved them.
Yeah.
You love them.
Killing it.
On date nights, I often pick those ones.
Yeah.
So yes, you have really enjoyed those, because their oils are thinner but with a really good scent, and these have the emu oil in it. I'm talking about them all the time. So yeah, definitely. So for me, vanilla and peach are battling it out, and then for you, peach and library are battling it out, and again, library is antique wood and vintage leather. They're like, dude, library's not on the site, man. What the heck? It's sold out. That's antique wood and vintage leather. So if we have one winner, it's got to be peach, because we picked them together. So really good, and don't forget that butter is a hit. Do you
have that peach one in butter?
No, I don't. So I do not have the peach one in a butter.
You're so bad at winking.
I know. I can, like, the other one, like, kind of does it too. Like, is there something wrong with him? Like, that's how I picked her up. I was like, hey. Yeah. And she was like, I don't know, medical emergencies.
Yeah, do you need help?
All right, cool. Any final thoughts for the people as they're trying to occupy their mind and their space on this Friday or into the future?
Go outside.
Yeah.
It makes you feel a lot better.
Helps our family, oh my gosh, 30,000-fold. Yeah. And randomly you find things out, like Jax is a freak of nature baseball player.
Yeah.
You saw it today. First 3 throws, crack, crack. And Maddox just picked up a bike like that. Yep. First time ever. But he's got training wheels, so that'll be interesting when those drop. So, all right. Well, as always, thank you, beautiful.
You're welcome.
And thank you, beautiful. Okay. Oh, she smiled. All right. Thanks, guys. Conclusion, I think I forgot the price of the butter. The 2-ounce butter is $12. A 1-ounce oil is $9. And within the US, I believe they have $100 free shipping. There are no discount codes. There are no affiliates. I get nothing from the sales. The prices are too low to even be able to throw any of those things on top. I don't even know how he's making a profit, to be honest with you. But clearly, he enjoys it. He has a passion for making products, helping people out like you, especially in tough economic times. Man, this is a great company. I highly recommend them for their quality, for the scents, but also the value they bring with that price. Question to leave you guys with, have you ever tried this company, and what have your experiences been like? I'll just leave it at that. If you want to leave any thoughts or you have any questions for me or the company, drop them down below. Hope you guys are enjoying your time, getting some valuable family time out there. Hopefully the weather's getting nice for you. My name is DanCBearded. I hope that you stay bearded and stay positive.